we came up with some core guiding principles, let's call them. The first was privacy and security. We were very cognizant of data leaks. You give your data to ChatGPT, it ends up in a training set, or all these startups that are using your data. I talked to a startup that I won't name that said, we'll record your meetings and use them to train our models. That's just what we are going to do. And we had to say, well, no, you're not, because no way that's okay. But I mean, you guys have gone through this at Box too. In a very Wild West space, there are going to be a lot of people with interesting ideas, some of which are not going to work for us. So that was a first, the key motivator for us to build something that we can tell our users that they could use confidently. And that also goes for our vendor relationships. There were key vendors such as Box, where we negotiated that security and privacy upfront before we enabled your AI features and similar to others.
Yeah, by the way, I love the fact that you established that as a core principle before you really built anything, right? As opposed to let's go build something, see what's possible, and then apply principles afterwards. So like that's a very important point for people.